How to deactivate Messenger account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Messenger account. Now deactivating your Messenger account is quite similar to deactivating your Facebook account and vice versa. So let me guide you through. Now simply open up your Messenger app and you'll get an interface like this once you're logged into your account. Tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of your screen, and here you can see a little settings or the gear icon just beside the profile name. You'll be able to find it right there as you can see on the screen. Tap on it, and here what you want to do is scroll down all the way below and head into the account settings option. Once on account settings, what you want to do is here tap on the first option, personal information. Tap on personal information and you can see the fourth option there, manage account. Tap on manage account here and you'll find the option to deactivate your account here. You can see account and deactivate beside it. Tap on the deactivate option that you'll see right here. And then what you want to do is type in your password, and once you type in your password and tap on continue, your account will be deactivated. So this way you can deactivate Messenger account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.